Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance memory with the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB 64GB DDR4 3200 kit. Designed for desktop enthusiasts seeking the pinnacle of performance, this memory module packs a punch with its impressive specs and stunning RGB lighting. Let's talk about aesthetics first. The Vengeance RGB RS features 6 individually addressable LEDs, offering a mesmerizing light show that can be customized to match your system's theme using CORSAIR ICE software. The panoramic light pipe design ensures unobstructed viewing from any angle, making it a visual delight for any PC enthusiast. But it's not just about looks. This memory kit is optimized for maximum bandwidth and tight response times, ensuring smooth performance on the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. Plus, with a custom performance PCB and tightly screened memory chips, you can expect superior stability and reliability, even when pushing the limits with overclocking. Heat management is crucial for high-performance memory, and the Vengeance RGB RS doesn't disappoint. Its solid aluminum heat spreader efficiently dissipates heat, keeping temperatures in check even during intense overclocking sessions. With seamless integration into the CORSAIR ICE ecosystem, you can synchronize lighting effects across all your CORSAIR RGB products, creating a unified and immersive gaming experience. And let's not forget about peace of mind. CORSAIR backs this memory kit with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring continuous support for your investment. In conclusion, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB RS 64GB DDR4 3200 is not just about performance, it's about elevating your gaming experience to new heights. With its stunning RGB lighting, top-notch performance, and robust build quality, it's the ultimate memory upgrade for any desktop enthusiast. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.